What is going on, guys? I'm back. As you see, boom, we now have a blob eye that is incomplete still. I got to get the body work done on the front for that the core support, get that swapped in so everything else lines up properly. I got all the pieces and everything already mounted up for this. I went ahead and mostly finished the interior. Let me hop over on this side. Finished most of the interior. Got the seats that I was talking about. All the carpets in finally, except right behind this seat's not fully done. Went ahead and actually got all this done. I did like a custom carbon fiber type of thing going on here. I'm finishing up the last piece as we speak, just letting it dry up. But that's the only seat I have in now left from stock. I have it over there, standing up in the middle there. It just needs like a small sew for a small rip, but mostly everything here is done. I just gotta touch up the backside and then we're Gucci. I still need like an STI dash and everything. I got the new door cards in. None of the switches actually fit though. I gotta get new ones that actually do. So that's research. I actually probably found a set on Subi Auto Parts, but this is the bug eye. 2002 swapped to 2004. Lots of body work's done. It's the whole shebang here.
This is a homage beat.
Oh, make sure we tap that feed off, boys. That fresh new, hell yeah, interior all done. We getting it. I just gotta get out all the tools. Let's start her up. Right away, boys. Right away. Hell yeah. Passed like 2 cops there. No bumper, no working front headlights. Blinkers in the rear don't work because they're not even fucking plugged in. The fucking connectors don't work, but
at?
Looks good.
All new carpet and everything. You did good.
Taking it to the body shop now, finally.
You should leave it with like silver and red. Get a red bumper.
Get the black recently.
Get a black bumper. Call it that.
I got the bumper.
You should keep
Yeah, you're getting it all black, right?
Yeah.